are back with me, Elizabeth, your girl with a fierce style. So in this channel, I do a lot of unboxing of bags, makeups, and also some pretty gadgets. But for today, it's all about Michael Kors, and at the background are the family of the soon-to-be things that I will be unboxing for today. I have two, shoe and a bag, so stay tuned. All right, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to do the unboxing for the shoes. Oh, by the way, yeah, I do not really have to unbox the other one because it's a haul. So it's like a haul unboxing for today. All right, so it's on this box, and like all of the other stuff that I'm going to be unboxing in this background, I have them for quite some time, and I only have the time now to do the unboxing and hauls now that I have already settled on the new place. All right, so I'm gonna open this. So it says open here. All right, so there's this easy way to do it. So this is ordered straight from michaelkors.com, and I have ordered 3 shoes of this. I only kept one, the other orange one, which I unboxed on my live video unboxing lots of Michael Kors stuff. If you haven't seen that video, it's live video, so it's a little long, but it's so much fun. Lots of chit chats. And yeah, you will see that here, and you can click on it at the end of this video. So some paperwork. Wow, it's smaller now. That's good. Paperwork, return label, and then we have the box here for the shoes. All right. Okay. So, Michael Kors shoebox as usual. The information about it is right here. And that one says Michael Kors Olympia trainer. So this is the Olympia one, the big chunky dad shoes, whatever they call it, platform shoes. And it's a MK signature soft jacquard SM. In the it's called, or the color is called denim multi. So we have a multicolor here. I'm gonna give you how it looks. So it was originally 2,200 Swedish krona. I got it for half the price. So that's how it looks. And then let's unbox. All right, so I actually used the glittery one that I bought. So I used that today at work. And I cannot wait to go ahead and really use this one because I have 3 bags now that will work perfectly with it. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. I think, well, it looks the same, yes, but it looks more stunning in real life than in the photos. Yeah, I'm not sure if like on the camera it really reflects how navy blue it is. I feel like it's a little too dark on the camera. I'm using the front camera of the iPhone 13 pink. If you haven't seen that video, also I'm promoting shamelessly, right? If you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and do so. The link will be at the end of this video also. Yes. All right, so there. Oh, so stunning. So it's so chunky. Like, ta-da! Shall we measure how big this heel is? Where's my measuring tape? All right, and just removing the stuff inside. What size? Size 8. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is how it looks from this side. And it says denim multi because it has the denim color, but nothing's really denim here. It's just like the color of the denim, the blue one. So we have silver here, a darker silver, and then a lighter silver for the MK. And then here we have dark blue. Right. So you know what? This is so stunning, and I'm so impressed because this MK right here, those MK ones, are like stitched and embossed in there, and just so stunning. All right, so all of the white ones are leather, and then textile. And what are other details? Okay, we've seen Michael Kors in there. There's also Michael Kors right here. And then the details are on this side. So I got the size 8 for US, but that's 38.5 for Euro. And this is like so pretty all over. Also an MK on the top right here. I feel like I wanted to compare it with the other one that I have. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Look, so they're the exact same design, but it's just that this other one has those glitters. Just so stunning. And yeah, I think I should have a 7.5 instead, or the size 38, because I think that this run big. Well, I usually wear size 38 or 38.5. It depends on the shoe actually. But yeah, I think this is true to size anyway. So you just order your size. It's just like, just me, my preference probably. I should have gone, or it is much better if I bought the one size lower, like a half size lower. So there, but they are both so stunning. And you can go ahead and check out the video for this one, as I mentioned, here on my YouTube channel also. All right, so that's about it for the shoe. I'm just gonna grab the other pair so we appreciate. So I have several Michael Kors shoes that I unboxed here on my channel. And blue is also one of my favorite colors. It's pink and blue, like very light pink and then blue. So that's both of them. All right. So they are so gonna go perfectly paired with my Michael Kors Carmen Small in the multi. So they will look nice also. And of course, on my Michael Kors Extra Small, which is blue or like navy. Did I say unbox again? I mean haul. All right. So I bought this 2 3 months ago. And this is the first time that I'm doing a haul. I haven't used it yet as well because it was packed. But yeah, I bought this from this posh fashion mall here in Gothenburg, Sweden, and it's called Nordiska Kompaniet, and that's NK. And yeah, and it's this a Michael Kors bag. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute and beautiful? Actually, when I saw it, I didn't really know about Michael Kors Hendrix because I was late on the Michael Kors game anyway. But when I saw it, it was like, oh my gosh, is that Michael Kors? That really looks so stunning. It's just so pretty. And when you really see the leather, you would feel how good it is. It's really well made. So once again, this is called the Michael Kors Hendrix Extra Small Leather Crossbody, a mouthful. And they still sell it on the website, but only 2 colors are available there. The luggage in this color, and then the black in that color. So maybe it depends on the country where you're in also. The details about this bag, it is 100% leather. So it's leather. And it has gold tone hardware. It has this adjustable strap. And it's like this. Ta-da! So the way that you adjust it is that you adjust this one depending on how long or how short you want it to be. Also, it has an exterior back slip pocket, which is super convenient. So if there's anything you need to grab, your card holder, if you have a tiny phone, then it would fit in there. So there is a Michael Kors logo right there. And here also on this ring. And then this closure is a flip lock closure wherein you flip it like so. And then you open it like this. And then we have a polyester lining, which actually feels like it's suede or velvet, but it says polyester. It came with a dust bag. But now when you buy from michaelkors.com, they sell the dust bag. All right, so of course there is a care card as usual. I just need to look for the tag. Okay, so here's the tag, and I can see the color of this one. All right, so it's in navy, of course. Actually, maybe you don't even need a card holder for this one because it has here on the interior part, on the front, and you have here 1, 2, 3 card slots, and then we have here one compartment, and then another one right here, and then we have a slit pocket over here for like some change, and then there's a smaller one right here. So, oh my gosh, like you could, if you're the kind of person who don't really bring so much big stuff, but you have lots of tiny things, you can organize it on this bag. This is so cute. So, of course, I have to check if my stuff will fit in here. So, I have to grab that bag, which I used for today, and I'm going to transfer the stuff that I have there and see if it fits here. So this is the Coach Cassie 19. I have an unboxing video telling you also what fits, what I think about it, and then ways to wear it. So I'm just going to grab the stuff that I have in here. All right, so of course my key holder. I have a chocolate. My compact mirror. And my makeup bag, actually. So this tiny thing holds all of my daily makeup, and I usually do my makeup when I don't have time. I do it in the bus. So it's actually like complete in there with a blush, with a tiny foundation, tiny eyeshadow even, and lip gloss and stuff like that. But I will do another video instead. So let's see. And yes, of course, it fits. It fits right there. Ta-da! All right, so that, and then just my keys. I could put that in the front compartment part. So here's my AirPods Pro that I have on the Sailor Moon case. So cute. And I'm just gonna put that right beside the key holder. All right, guess what? It doesn't close. So I have to do some certain sacrifices. Then, again. So I'm gonna put the compact instead, and this one holds contour, bronzer, blush, and highlights, and of course a mirror in there. So we do that instead. Just grab my lip gloss. So we do that there. Can put my house keys, my work key. Can even put your car key, and then the AirPods. And then I'm just gonna try to put the phone in, but remove this case because this case is way too bulky anyway. By the way, once again, this is a 12 Pro Max. So I could probably just put that here on this side instead, another compartment. And then we try to close it. Okay. And yes, now that fits. You have to do some certain sacrifices. So just choose the essential ones and it will still fit because there's still a lot of room anyway. Yeah, and as you see that the bigger iPhone fits inside, just a little bit tight here on the outside, but the smaller iPhones would work in there. The only thing that I wish that this bag has is that it has this, like at least a tiny top handle like this, because it will be perfect. But nope, that's not gonna happen unless I'm going to put all of this inside and it will just consume the space, because anyway it's made to be a crossbody instead. So you do crossbody and then like that. Yes. You can also remove this long strap, remove it from here, and then you can just have it as a clutch instead. And because it's so clutchable, that's not even a word, but it could be a clutch. So yeah, there. Then you can do it like one strap bag. And nah, but this is already the shortest it could be, unless you wanted to put more holes, and then you could make it like a shoulder bag. Up to you. Possibilities are endless. I just really wish it has like that thingy, but the regular size Hendrix has that. It's like a top handle, because it's similar looking to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, and also to the original Coach Cassie, not the small one. But yeah, there you go. That's about it, everybody. I'm sorry if the lighting changed. It's because the sun set, and I filmed this like the moment I got home from work, because I really wanted to use them for tomorrow, and this is the only thing that I will bring. That's it. That's my bag. That's my shoes for tomorrow. But yeah, and I hope that you like this video. If you want me to do any comparison video, or do a follow-up video of like after a few months of using the other bags that you have seen here on my YouTube channel, just let me know. I wanted to know first, so the video is worth it, and that I'll be able to help you guys. But if you like this type of videos, please go ahead and subscribe. I have lots of bags and SLG, small leather goods, here on my YouTube channel. I have an entire playlist, even lots of Michael Kors bags, lots of Victoria's Secret, Coach, and I even have Marc Jacobs, Kate Spade also. Those are the brands that I have, and more. So see you on my next video. I love you all, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.